You smile for me. Oh, boo. Oh, boo. Oh. Boo. Boo, boo, boo. Jazzy. Jazzy. Oh, I love you. I do. I love you. Oh, yes, I do. So cute. Can you do that again? Can you talk to me? Jazzy. Jazzy. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. What's that? What's that? What is that? Are you going to smile for the camera? Are you going to smile? Does that finger taste good? Does that finger taste good? Yes, it does. Come on, Lucy smiles. Yes, she smiles. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. I tickle, tickle. How's that girl? How's that girl? Grandpa's sleeping next to you. Yes, he is. Hey, Cookie. Hey, little pumpkin. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year. It's going to be 2011. It's going to be 2011. Yes, it is. Yeah. Yeah, she's a happy girl tonight. Look at those little footsies. Look at those little footsies kicking away. Kicking away. Yeah, you can talk to me. You can talk and smile at me. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, Grandpa's waking up. We see Grandpa over there. Grandpa was sleeping. What you doing, Jazzy? She's a happy girl tonight. She's a kicking her feet. She's kicking her footsies. She's glued to the television. Hi, sweetie. Does that hand taste good? Does that hand taste good? You can talk? Are you going to talk? Are you going to talk, baby girl?